somebody's found the exact same spot. That's the weather. Fantastic, ain't it? Crazy rains. Come bye. Funny world. Talk about testing the tire and mentioning that there's no rain. I mean, I haven't been able to test the tire in wet conditions, and I was feeling kind of depressed. It's because, you know, it wouldn't have been a comprehensive review otherwise. So now that's the weather. Fantastic, ain't it? Crazy rains out of nowhere. That's the funny part. Out of nowhere. It was a nice overcast in the morning, but I wasn't expecting rains, and here I am. The tire is good. It isn't great. Is it as good? Let's brake and see. It doesn't help. That's the thing. So with wet testing, the number one thing that you guys need to keep in mind is when you test tires on wet conditions, brakes. It's all about the brakes. If the tires work well, when you brake hard, the tires are good. Well, I would say it's been a long time since I tested the Seat tires on wet conditions. So from my memory, I believe that the Seat felt slightly better on wet conditions. These are good. These are about, I really can't, I can't pick a clear winner here. There would be a 55-45 at best. But yeah, from whatever memory I have of my Seat tires, they felt a little more, just a little more confidence inspiring in wet conditions. Or maybe I'm new to these tires, and or it's been a while since it rained, and this is the first rain after months, so I'm just getting a little a bit of an acclimatization thing going on. So yeah, that being said, the tires are good. You don't have to worry about wet performance. Wet conditions, the tire performs well. It isn't bad. It isn't bad in any way. Yeah, so the braking part alone, from whatever memory I have of my Seat tires, they felt a little more confidence inspiring. But then again, that was a different machine. This is a different machine. There's a lot that has changed. So I really can't say if it's me expecting a lot more from the tires or it's just the tires. But anyways, it's absolutely nothing. The difference, it's insignificant. Now that I'm getting used to it, a little more of rain riding will do, I guess. Oh, that was close. Yeah, that's the thing. It isn't as sharp as it's supposed to be. Whoops, 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 Not bad. Not bad at all. So yeah, not bad. Well, I don't have very high expectations of any tire in rainy conditions. Is because I don't do a lot of rain riding. But then again, the tires are good. Let's try some cornering. 21 inches front wheel and much better than the motocross, of course. With the motocross, I would instantly feel a bit of a threat in wet conditions. Wow, good, not bad. That was a bit of a wheel spin there, a possibility, but then good. Held on to the road. Man, this tire just continues to surprise me. Something about it. Well, this tire just continues to surprise me. Very good on wet conditions. I can never do this with my Ralco motocross because it's it's a knobby tire and soft compound. So yes, it's not as risky as a hard compound knobby tire, but that being said, it's still risky. It's because you're on a few knobs for traction. You can't. So yep, so not bad, huh? Can I sustain good speeds? Yes, I can.